What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in a video with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only do poly reactions, so we only react to PolyArtists including moldy. So I just consider those guys moldies as well, polys as well. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, I appreciate it heaps. If you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom. Don't forget to click that bell to get notified when I upload videos. So today's video, we're going to be reacting to Paper Route, or Paper Route, whatever you guys say, Hooligan Hefs. So this is number 3 on trending, but I saw on Instagram that it was number 1. So by the time we get to it, it's number 3. Still up there though. So you guys know we take a while to think, but yeah. Well, the last time we reacted to Hooligan Hefs. Oh, not the last time. But yeah, I'm pretty keen to see what this is about. Paper Route. Oh, come on, we already know.
Right.
It's gonna be Manuia. We'll see if there's girls in this one.
Oh, money.
Let's go. Oh, I like that effect. It was just counting money on. Oh, it's too good. Downside, I hear about that a lot.
Downside. Crazy Vision.
Crazy Vision's off his yellow.
They wanna see me down and out, but I'm on a paper route. She want me to stay inside the house, but the trap needs me now. Talk on my name for clout, I guarantee you'll see clouds.
Oh.
It's a bit slow, eh?
Yeah. I like the visuals, how it makes it look like fast and then slow down.
I'll just go Paper Route.
People talking on his name for clout. Interesting. It'd be like that though with the big artists, say it's like quite normal.
Or
they try and create fake beef out of nowhere and it's like, where'd you come from?
Yeah, true.
We should start some This is No, I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding.
Like what?
Like
Nash.
like I'm his Mrs. Nash.
For me, how J-Licks.
Tell man, shut up.
They wanna see me down and out, but I'm on a paper route. She want me to stay inside the house, but the trap needs me now. Talk on my name for clout, I guarantee you'll see clouds. Them days we're stuck in a drought, now we never go without. They wanna see me down and out, but I'm on a paper route. She want me to stay inside the house, but the trap needs me now. Talk on my name for clout, I guarantee you'll see clouds.
Imagine just if it was your own money there, eh? And you just had friends crowding around there, same bunch of, like, would you trust them or nah? Like, I always wonder, like, do you know they chuck money on the ground and then everyone goes to pick it up? It's like, do they keep that money or do you have to give it back to your friend? Like, I'd feel stink. And yeah, just a random thought, like, I don't know. This one's win.
Them days we're stuck in a drought, now we never go without. I'm out here cheating, the fiends need me to keep eating. I couldn't care less about sleeping, 3 AM and it's still beeping. I crack it open, it's reeking, quick test start and they can't stop speaking. Sports my bus and I can't stop speeding. I remember them days where counts was needed, while the ops trying to get even. We pop bottles in the evening, designer print when we're sleeping. She ride like a stallion, no Megan, I got the Tommy, now shoot like Egan.
Do you know Megan Thee Stallion? Oh, I'm trying to think of a song. Anyway, she's like this. She's a pretty big artist.
So, what was he saying about it?
The Stallion, not Megan or something. No, he says Megan.
Trying to get even, we pop bottles in the evening. Designer print when we're sleeping. She ride like a stallion, no Megan, I got the
They sleep in designers? Alright.
Tommy, now shoot like Egan. Them bad girls right there, they're decent. When a girl sees me, I know she's skeezing. I got 2 fangs, you see them freezing. I got 2 fangs, they ready for a threesome. They don't wanna see me at war, they don't wanna see me at all. They will be caught on the law, I still got trust in the Lord. And I'm still up in the store, I still put smoke at the yaw. And I'm still up in the store, I still put smoke at the yaw. They wanna see me down and out, but I'm on a paper route.
You gangster now. Oh.
Up in the store, I still put smoke at the yaw. And I'm still up in the store, I still put smoke at the yaw. They wanna see me down and out, but I'm on a paper route. She want me to stay inside the house, but the trap needs me now. Talk on my name for clout, I guarantee you'll see clouds. Them days we're stuck in a drought, now we never go without. See, I couldn't care less, they like me, I do one show and it sets me up nicely. You can't buy our trust, that's pricey, so we don't leave any mess to tidy. My canines look real icy, my Murphy's looking real shiny. Just got a blue tick, but that don't mean shit. I was certain my Air Max 90.
What does he keep talking about? His
Boutique.
like someone
Canon.
must have said something about it. Eh?
Probably because they're really sharp or something. Yeah, I feel like he keeps talking about it.
How do you know?
Oh, I'm trying to see, but every time I look,
They
it's
don't
like
even look obvious.
Yeah, they're not like vampire material.
That trust that's pricey, so we don't leave any mess to tidy. My grey lines look real icy, my Murphy's looking real shiny. Just got a blue tick, but that don't mean shit. I was certain my Air Max 90s. Try me, they already know where to find me. Mum's still praying for me, not.
Boutique would be like something pricey, eh?
Sophisticated.
Oh, sophisticated, yeah, and you'll just go off normal Air Forces. Okay, yeah, I get it now. Cool.
How many rivers did she have to cry me? I made 6 figures, no signing. Now these labels wanna try sign me. I got ops that wanna fly me, but I got real drillers beside me.
Hey, we saw a comment one time. We were thinking like sign some of these boys up, but it's so true that it ruins, you know, their originality and stuff like that. I guess.
Yeah.
It'll probably the same thing with this guy, but I don't know. I'm not too sure if he's under any record label.
Depends on who your management is, I guess.
Yeah. Be good to be your own like manager and stuff like that.
Rivers did she have to cry me? I made 6 figures, no sign. Now these labels wanna try sign me. I got ops that wanna fly me, but I got real drillers beside me. They don't wanna see me at war, they don't wanna see me at all. They will be cut for the law, I still got trust in the Lord. And I'm still up in the store, I still put smoke at the yaw. And I'm still up in the store, I still put smoke at the yaw. They wanna see me down and out, but I'm on the paper route. She want me to stay inside the house, but the trap needs me now. Talk on my name for clout, I guarantee you'll see clouds. Them days we're stuck in a drought, now we never go without. They wanna see me down and out, but I'm on the paper route. She want me to stay inside.
They're pretending to count. Doesn't.
The house, but the trap needs me now. Talk on my name for clout, I guarantee you'll see clouds. Them days we're stuck in a drought, now we never go without.
Everyone's stuck in a drought, struggling, and he goes without. It's a lot of money.
Damn. He must be making 6 digits. Damn, son. Hey.
Oh, what's it? That's. Oh, hooks.
Hooligan. Oh,
Hooks.
cause I look.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait a damn minute. Oh yeah, hooks. I think I saw Hooligan Skinny too. Oh no, maybe oh yeah, Hooligan Skinny. Sure. I'm trying to remember who this guy is. Some familiar faces.
Yeah. Oh. It's that vibe that I got to when I saw this, watching this. It's the same vibe I get with Sydney Youngins. You know, that lifestyle, the richer, you know.
Yeah, the expensive brands and stuff like that. I feel like that's definitely a Sydney thing, eh? They love their designer.
No, I don't think it's a Sydney thing. I think it's with these guys.
Yeah. But even Sydney, like, they have that look, like.
Well, then you got the 1/4. They don't do that.
True. Oh, sometimes they wear like big brands. So, what did you think of the track, Mama B?
Honestly.
Yeah, no, honestly.
It's. I think this is him.
Yeah.
This is his. Like, he's talking about the trap, you know, the money coming,
Clout.
6 figures, clout chasing, and
I guess typical famous people things things they would go through with, you know, being famous and
the visuals show that.
Yeah.
And their
visuals, man, on point.
Really nice. We always like crazy visions.
Yeah, the effects that he shows off.
He captures it well.
I don't know what you call that type of whatever you call it. That how it's just like went really fast at times, but blurry at the same time. Like that's pretty good. It just shows that they're on the move.
So he has to know the lyrics.
Constantly on the move, fast.
Yeah.
So
these guys, like Crazy Visions, have to know the lyrics so that they know what they're going to capture and film to bring out the music. You know, the words more.
It just, I guess, it just shows that he's always on the go. Like blurry, quick, like if you get what I mean.
Almost like Hefs, the name itself.
Yeah.
it's associated with rich, you know, money, luxury.
Really?
I don't know. I just think of like that Playboy guy, the old man, who Hefs.
Oh.
Yeah, just like it just like when I first heard the name Hefs, I was thinking, Playboy.
I guess so. Yeah, I guess if that's what he got it from. Damn.
I haven't heard from Hefs in a while. So
yeah. Last time we heard from him
it's
was
like
Fame.
It's almost trying to get back
Into the gist of it, yeah. I don't have much to say about it. Yeah, it's definitely. I don't think it's my type of music.
Yeah, it wouldn't be something I just play.
But yeah, it's a good track. If you guys are interested in it, please check it out. I have
support PolyMovement. Support the brothers out.
Yeah, I have the information to the track in the description box below.
PolyMovement and PolyBusiness.
Businesses. So I have here Ilche. You guys can go check Ilche out on Instagram and Facebook if you guys want to get some gear. They also have different colors, and here I'm wearing Under the Bird. So this is here. Check out the website Under the Bird or socials, Facebook and Instagram, if you guys want to check out what other stuff she has. She has different type of earrings, gift sets, scarves and all that jazz.
Support our poly businesses.
Yeah,
it's even our artists, poly artists, sports players, all of them, support them all. Let's help our polys get up there.
Like imagine if we just all united, we could all eat together, we could all celebrate together. How people are powerful
all
already.
Drink together and then all fuss each other. And then next day all laugh again.
Yeah. But yeah, just imagine if we're powerful people. Just imagine if we were to come together as one.
Yeah.
Just imagine how that would work out, like.
Really nice.
But yeah, fam, so hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Please go check it out. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.